Alright guys, welcome back. On this episode of Build One More, we're going to be installing a camshaft to a 2010 Camaro SS for my buddy Jake. And we got a Texas Speed cam kit, K&N, cold air intake and everything like that to put on there. It's going to be tuned by a local tuning shop just right up the way from us. It's Browning Tuning. It's BTP Performance, I think is what it's, something like that. I'll put a link, you know, to his website below. Y'all can check it out. But we got the kids with us right now. They're about to go to Grandpa's house, old Pop for a little bit, and then we're gonna go to the shop and make the magic happen. So, you know, stay tuned. I'll show you what we got and see how long this takes.
Here we go.
Alright guys, small update on Jake's Camaro. Valve covers are off, intake's off. Lifting up the oh my god, I'm having a brain fart. Anyways, I got all this, had a Joe Biden moment. Getting those out, get the push rods out. That way I can get to the head bolts, pull the accessories up the front on this side, get the exhaust manifolds laid over to the side, and then woo, let the heads off. I'll pull the crank pulley, pull the timing cover. So we got everything new in this Texas Speed box. All things that are good. It's a big shout out to Texas Speed. They didn't hook me up with the parts or anything like that. I'm just saying, you know, we used them because they had a kit. Shout out to them. So that's your small update for right now. I'll do a little bit more when I get further into it. Christmas. We're like day 2 here on the Camaro. I'm about to get this thing finished up today. Mr. Jake, this is the owner of it. He owns this car. This beautiful Camaro. Just open up some of his Go Fast parts.
Ooh. I feel like a little kid on Christmas.
Oh yeah.
Oh baby. Oh yes. That's what I like right there.
Good old
Frank ain't here,
yeah.
you get a little excited, huh?
Yeah.
Oh baby. Oh baby.
All
the
kind of
filter,
goods.
ain't it?
Yes,
Yep.
sir. And they're clean. You know, you can clean them, reuse them. You have to buy another air filter probably for like 10 years.
Nice.
Because you keep it oiled up and clean.
They got kits for that, don't they? Little kits
Yes.
you can buy?
Yep. All right, so I'll get these heads off. We'll come back, you know, show that, and we'll get everything cleaned up and throw a cam in there. Are you ready, Jake?
I'm ready.
He's building one more, y'all.
Building one more.
All right, guys, heads are off. Have exposed the lifter trays, which is fantastic. They can get all the DOD lifters out. Do the new lifter trays, new lifters. Get all the surfaces cleaned up real well, get the heads cleaned up. About to pull the cam out of it, get this crank pulley off, this fan, this radiator and AC condenser all out the way. And then it's all downhill from here, fellas. We are trying to build a beast. All right, getting these lifters up out of here. These are the ones we are going to reuse because we got 8 new ones that look just like them. Get them DOD craps out of this thing. All right, there's the driver's side out. Got the timing cover off as well. That bolt was tight, but it was no match for the old Milwaukee Fuel. That's why I bought it though. I always want to buy the best. And in my opinion, it's the best. I'm just some guy. Just so y'all know. Just some guy. Alright. Lifters out. I'll film some more here in a little bit. Get this old cam out. There we go. Real precise and real easy. You don't want to knock a cam bearing out on the way. I've never done it, but I've heard of folks doing it. Factory cam. It is in the hand. Doing a horrible job of filming all this, but the cam phaser limiter is installed, new cams in, timer chain's back on, got the head surface or the deck surface all cleaned up. About to throw the lifter trays in with the new lifters, get the heads cleaned up, do the valve springs and new valve stem seals, and we're going back together with this Camaro. Alright, I got one head done. All the valve springs and retainers are put in. Looking fantastic. I'm just kind of jumping around with the video to keep you guys up to date on what's going on. One down, one to go. Finished reassembly. The DOD block off plate has been put on. All the accessories on the front are back on, except for the power steering pump. Waiting for the head for that. And then, yeah. I'm just chugging along on this beautiful Sunday afternoon. We're making it happen though. Jake, hope you really enjoyed this. Here's your next little small update. Heads are torqued, bolted on, both sides. The rocker arms are in, water pump and all that's on like it's supposed to. All the accessories are bolted back on. Exhaust manifolds are on. So you get the valve covers, intake and all that stuff, and then we'll be good to go. Alright, it is a great deal later. I spent some time with the family this afternoon at the new house, but you know, valve covers and stuff back on, exhaust is hooked back up from underneath. Got to lay the plenum on. Put the radiator and condenser and stuff back in it, and we're gonna crank this baby up. I'm excited. All went together really well, really smooth. Alright guys, it's all back together. I got the DOD plate plugged in and up over there, that way it doesn't lock it down in the 4-cylinder mode. I don't have the intake on it all the way just yet, but let's see how this goes. It's alive, guys. Sounds pretty good for being as quiet as it is. Oh, I like that a lot. Alright. You guys, it's about midnight, Sunday. I've had a long day of this. I've had a good time doing it. I get the rest of this thrown together tomorrow after work. Get the air charge back up and get this thing off to the dyno. Another day at Automasters. We're about to take the Alright, good little cruise right here. Decent drivability for not having a tune. Nothing's really going on. No check engine light, which is kind of surprising to me. Got Frank behind us. Jake, we're taking your car to the tuner, man. I gotta say, I do love this old Camaro here. Might have to get me one day. But yeah, we're just cruising down the highway. We getting there. Just taking her easy. Temp staying beautiful. Speed's good. Gas tank's full. Hair's crazy as always. Despite not having no visibility really out the back window on these 5th gens, man, they are just stupid comfortable. Jake says he's got plans for this car though. Wants to change up the silver on the door panels and stuff eventually. Something to do with like Galaxy, like purple stuff. I think it'll look really good. As long as I can stop it from painting the wheels purple, we'll be okay. Hey, Frank. Y'all see. Y'all see. Alright, well, hell, I'll film whenever we get there, guys, you know, show you the place, if Derek's okay with it. I don't see why he wouldn't be. Happy to see this job complete, though. Appreciate the opportunity to do it. Giving it the old build one more treatment. And I'll have just a basic video on just the cam and everything, the cold start and idle after it's tuned. So folks can see that if they want to, a short, like 40-second video. So you have to watch through all this to see, you know, just how it sounds, which it sounds awesome. I can't wait to get a muffler or some kind of exhaust system on this thing. It'll be great. Alright, car is that. Brown & Tuner Performance. Derek's gonna take care of it. We'll know what it makes tomorrow. Pretty excited.
Probably about, me looking at the car, judging, about 250.
About 250? That's Frank's estimate. 250 to each wheel?
No. See, the Honda made gonna make about 299.
Yeah.
The Camaro's make about 250.
Word. Ah, messed up. You gotta understand, Frank got the raggediest damn door handle on the Civic.
I'm telling the world my business.
Just so y'all know, we out here. It's raggedy, but we love it. Honda gang.
Honda gang.
It's like Gucci gang, but it's that Honda gang. Can I say Gucci gang? That'd probably get me copyrighted. I don't know. I'm still recording. It's alright. Look at that, Frank. What you doing?
I'm getting us followers, bro.
It beat down. Jake, we're leaving it here, man.
I'm always in here in the kitchen doing God's work.